I think it was fun to introduce this audience to India and to Apollo Hospitals. So that was one of the opening. We are Asia's largest healthcare group, but beyond the 54 hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies, we also are into insurance, education, and technology. So I think the main highlight of what I was trying to convey this morning is that there is a tremendous ability to transform healthcare. And the fact is that individuals and customers and patients are walking and voting with their feet in that they're going towards mHealth platforms. It's for providers and telecom operators and other players in the ecosystem, including regulators, to understand the shift, to understand the power of this potential revolution, and to shape it in a manner that improves the way people access care, improves the way hospitals deliver care and connect with doctors and other players in the ecosystem, but also to influence wellness decisions, to understand population health issues, to analyze data and information for research. So the potential is tremendous. Very practically, I believe that for mHealth to really evolve to its true potential, you need standards, planning, a common architecture, and I commend the FNIH and the other foundations who are trying to put people together. You need the excitement of the technology, the device people, and the telecom operators, but most importantly and significantly, I think you need the providers to integrate this service and offering into their day-to-day. And the net result of this integrated approach is really that we're seeing results. We're seeing patients with better compliance rates. We're seeing reduction in not just the blood sugars, but the HbA1c, which is the long-term indication of sugar control. And we're seeing a 95% re-enrollment rate. It goes to prove that if you do a product which is integrated with the brick and mortar, which uses the technology, which is blindingly simple, then patients will love it and hopefully move from being patients to well people who are connected to a positive health environment.